got the baddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine.
Here we are again, fellas. Here's an in-depth glimpse into us finishing up the Rampage Twin Cat. We're putting the Hobbywing 300 amp ESCs in some of them, and some even still get our 53 by 100 millimeter 8-pole brushless motors. So rad. These things are almost done and they'll be in your hands soon. Just remember who makes the most badass boats hands down with the best components in them right out of the box.
ESC motors, props, it's lit. Strongest power systems on the market, legit. Oxidean Marine, no questions, that's it. Who's got the raddest boats on the scene?